Hello everyone, I am Sophia. Welcome back to another exciting video. So, did you know that honey could actually get rid of pimples? Yes, it can. You know, sometimes we have a party to go to or a dinner or a meeting and there comes a pimple on our face and there's nothing we can do about it right at that moment. Yes, there's something we can do. We can use honey just on the hair where the pimple is. What the honey actually does, it reduces the size of the pimple so that it's not noticeable. So after that, you can actually apply your makeup. So I'm going to apply my honey to my pimples because right now I'm having some problems, and it's mostly on my forehead here and on my cheek. So I'm going to apply my honey to my face, only to the area that you have the pimples. You're supposed to apply the honey, and just a small amount. So these are the areas I'm just having problem with. So I'm going to let it stay for 15 minutes. When it is dry, I'm going to rinse with warm water. So I'll see you in a bit. So I'm back. I already rinsed my face with warm water, and my pimples is almost reduced. Yeah, there's a few here and this one here. So for preparation to this mixture, go on my blog at www.bagofbeautytips.de and also subscribe so you can get alert for upcoming new videos. So until next time, and actually going to post this video on Facebook. Looking forward for your feedback and likes. You can also share my video if you want. So until next time, bye.